We are your Welsh National Opera, eich opera genedlaethol Cymru. You see everything on the stage, the magic, the lights, the emotion, but what you don't see is this. Every tour we do means packing up everything, the instruments, the sets, the sound equipment, and taking it right across the country. What makes us unique is how much we tour, from Bangor to Newtown to Swansea, all the way down to Southampton, Plymouth and Truro, and everywhere in between. But to get there, we rely on this. Our climate-controlled orchestra trailer. It's more than 2 decades old, it's done hundreds of thousands of miles, and we really need a new one. That's why we're taking part in the Big Give this year to keep Welsh National Opera Orchestra on the road. Some of our instruments are incredibly fragile and old. Some of them will date from the late 17th to the early 18th century, which is why you need a climate-controlled trailer to keep them sounding at their best. Your donation will allow us to invest in a new, eco-friendly, climate-controlled trailer, which will reduce our carbon footprint and keep Welsh National Opera Orchestra on the road for years to come. And the best part is that during Big Give Week, everything that you donate will be doubled, which means that your money goes twice as far. We genuinely love being a touring company and visiting our audiences all across the country. Your donation will help keep WNO on the road.